Okay, so our topic this week is how do you meet the gaming preferences of casual gamers? So we've had a lot of people visiting us this summer.
Yes.
And so we have a couple friends from the boys' friends come up from Tucson. And like I said, they'll play more strategic games. Mm-hmm. But they prefer the lighter party type games. Yes. So let's talk about that.
Okay.
How you do that.
Alrighty.
So consider games that have quick playing time and turns. So, like I said, they could play games that require longer turns, but they would get antsy, and they just want to have as much fun. So you want games that are easy to teach and learn, light strategy and some luck, because when you're playing with alpha gamers like the boys and I who play a lot of games, I mean, they've been playing games since they were 3 and 5.
Right.
And they've played just about as many games as I have played. It could be unfair when you play a very strategic game and they're going to get dominated. So when there's some luck in there, that can balance that out. So you want game mechanics that generate surprises. So you saw in all 5 games that we did this week, you saw them laughing in the background.
Oh, heck yeah. It was a lot of fun. We
Right.
laughed a lot this weekend.
Which is the idea of you want to pick games that support a party-like fun.
Yes.
You notice games like Liar's Dice and such, they have a party game rank. So that's our recommendations. Would you like to add anything, Julie?
No, I have to admit, even though I do play a lot of games, I don't play a lot of heavy games like you and the boys do. So I really enjoy when we do the lighter type of games because that's more of my things that I enjoy more.
Right.
So it's more fun for me.
Right. And then, again, the whole idea is why you got to put aside your preferences. I mean, we might like meatier games,
Right.
but you might only be able to get one game done in that case, and then they'll
That's
get
true.
burnt out. They might not enjoy it as much. So
True.
they, like I said, they would have played longer if I didn't have other things to do. We both
That's
had things to
true.
do. And in fact, they went in the other room and they played Rumacube.
Oh my gosh,
So-
I think they played that for a couple hours.
Yeah, so that's, again, that tells you if they like games that are, that are lighter.
True.
So again, thanks for checking out the topic this week,
Thank
and
you.
we'll see you next week.
All right. Have a good time.